Using separate tools for notes, tasks, and projects can quickly become inefficient and costly. That's why Odoo Knowledge offers you all you need to create content, communicate any idea, and structure your information. Let's take a look at how Marcus from our sales squad creates a catalog for our cameras. Whether he starts from scratch in the private section or selects a template, he has full control over the design. Marcus can edit any template to his preferences, change the title, choose a different icon, replace the cover, and of course, add camera models. He then adds the camera's information and properties, the model, the summary, the price, and the type. He can also add a cover picture, and when he returns to the template, our camera model is displayed in a card view with the properties information. Using the command /GPT, thanks to the implementation of AI in Odoo, Marcus feels comfortable generating new content in a flash. If a paragraph is unsuitable, he can select it and request an AI-generated rephrase. Pretty efficient, right? Marcus also structures the content by editing headers, adding an info banner to draw attention to a paragraph, integrating a calendar for our photography classes, and adding clipboards to display our class schedule. The possibilities are numerous and can be performed however he wants. When the catalog is ready, Marcus drags it to the workspace to make it visible to other internal users. He then determines who can edit, who has read-only access, and who has no access. The collaboration in Knowledge begins when Domenico, the product expert, enters the chat and adds his comments. Both discuss the type of cameras for different levels of photography without leaving the app. They also invite external collaborators, such as Cole, the camera supplier, who mentions he's got new cameras perfect for their beginner customers. There's more! In apps like CRM, Marcus can quickly access relevant knowledge articles by clicking the knowledge icon. Odoo's intelligent search suggests the most helpful results, allowing Marcus, your trusted sales agent, to provide customers with precise answers on the spot. And when he wants to align the sales process while qualifying leads, he simply inserts steps or instructions to the internal notes. Integration works both ways between Knowledge and other Odoo apps. If Marcus wants to keep an eye on the latest sales performance when updating the catalog, he can integrate a pie chart view from the Sales app to the Knowledge catalog. And there it is. Our complete camera catalog is now ready for use. So, are you ready to share some knowledge? Use Odoo Knowledge for free at odoo.com/knowledge.